open the window.
Sam, don't! Or there'll be a draft.
How can she hear everything? Fine, I'll drink some water then. Cold. I should pour it. Oopsie, I spilled a bit. Fine. Oh, so I need help.
You need a boat, not help.
Not funny. I was hot and I wanted a drink.
But you went for a swim instead.
So?
Fine. Come here, let me dry you off. Like this.
Thanks, but I'm still thirsty.
I know, and there's a great solution for such a slick guy.
Wow! How come I didn't know about this before?
Well, it isn't candy.
Phew, not so hot, finally. Speaking about candy.
Ooh, Jelly Belly, will you please share?
Sure! Let me open it first.
Need help?
No, I'll manage.
Oh, Sam, what's the matter with you today? I just cleaned up.
I'm sorry. I'll get the dustpan.
Hey guys, did you know that Sam loves this channel just as much as he loves candy? And he really wants to have even more subscribers. You can help. Tell your friends about our channel. The more subscribers we have, the more videos we'll be able to make for you, and the more cool DIY ideas we'll have to share. You have our word for it. Ah, Sam. How does someone so little produce so much litter?
So, I'm a genius.
No doubt about it. All geniuses are a bit weird.
Yeah, but look! I've invented a candy machine. Here's the draft.
Interesting. Pouring candies into the water cooler?
Yes! I don't want this spilled candy situation to happen again. We'll put them into a cooler and then pour it into a glass like water. Cool, huh?
Cool, but impossible. Candies can't go up.
Oh, too bad.
But they can go down.
Wait, really?
Yeah, we'll make your candy machine, but it needs some tweaking. Hi guys! Today we're going to show you how to make a real candy machine.
What do we need?
We need a pencil, a ruler, a paper knife, and a lot of boxes.
A moment. Here.
Sam, these are great boxes, but they're too small for a small amount of candy.
Oh, this won't do. We need a large amount of candies. This means a large box.
Oh, yes, this'll do. Let's start with the body of our machine. I'll carefully outline one wall using a ruler and a pencil so it's even. And then I'll cut it out, just like this.
Be very careful when you work with a knife. It's small but very sharp. Better ask an adult to help.
The first part is ready. Now I'll show you the measurements for the other parts. Here, to have it on hand, simply pause the video and take a screenshot or write it down. Now let's start connecting the parts. We need glue and lots of it.
So, how many candy containers will there be?
5.
Only 5?
Yes, 5. Is that not enough?
So many candies in the world and only 5 containers. Skittles, M&Ms, and so many others.
I get it, you're an expert. But let's get back to work and start gluing. The glue gun is the best tool for this job. We'll glue the walls onto the rectangular base and get some glue here onto the rear wall. And put it together. From here on, it'll be easier to work with the box. Let's make the base more durable with more parts. I'll secure it with an additional wall here. There. The last two go to the bottom. One here. And one there. And leave the glue to dry. Now, let's make containers for candies. These are the measurements for the parts. Pause the video again and have it saved. First, we'll create supports out of the detail number 3 and a stick. Like this. We'll glue one part to another one. And then we'll glue it to the wall. And make another part just like this. And connect them with the detail number 1.
How is my invention coming?
Your invention? I'm the one making it, and what are you doing?
The most important thing.
What?
I'm managing the process.
All right, boss. Could you bring me an automatic pen?
Yes, sure. But I'm the boss.
I remember. Let's continue. I'll glue this short stick to the piece number 4. Add more glue here on the sides. And place it on the rear supports.
Here, a pen and a contract.
A contract?
Yes, we must sign an agreement that I'm the inventor and you're my assistant.
Oh, I see. All right, give me the pen and I'll sign it. Huh, great pen. Just what I need.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm making sure your invention works, boss.
Fine, but the contract?
Don't worry, I remember who's the boss here.
Yes, it's me.
Now, I'll put some glue onto the piece number 5. And attach it here, like this. Now, I'll put the spring on the stick. And attach it to our container. Hot glue gun for life. Don't be shy with the glue. It should hold well. And now, cut off the excess. Let's add piece number 6 with a stick. And here, we have a candy dispenser mechanism. I made a hole in the last piece number 7, and now we'll put it right here. Now, you just have to make 4 more of these. Don't tell Sam, but you can make more containers if the base is longer.
What? You can make more containers?
Oh, no, you've misheard me. You need more glue to keep it secured.
That's good. Well done, Susie.
I'll add a slope inside to make candies pour down easy. Looks good. We'll need more glue here. And now, I'll attach the containers to the base. I'll add a transparent window. Hey, Sam, have you chosen the candies for the machine?
It was hard. Only the best made it.
Great! We'll add candy labels to make it clear which are where. I printed the labels on a sticky printer paper. And now, I'll get them on nice and neat. Now nobody will confuse them.
Who's gonna confuse candies? They're all so different.
Well, you're the only expert here, and the rest of us need some guidance. We'll pour the candies into the containers.
Let me help.
Yeah, maybe I should do it. You've already opened one today. The containers are full, and now we can put the lid on. The candy machine is ready!
Very convenient, and nothing is spilled.
Write in the comments which candies you'd put in your machine. Sam is very curious, and maybe he'll learn something new.
Congratulations, colleague. It's a success.
Colleague? You're not my boss anymore?
You know, I think it's too much responsibility, and I'm too busy for this. Press the button!
Oh, Sam!
It's a candy shower! Guys, did you like the video? Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the most wonderful channel of the most wonderful slime. And now to the next video. Enjoy another adventure. The most wonderful, of course.
Ah, squishy, squishy, squishy.
Where is my candy? I ask, no, I demand. I'm entitled to candy. You tell me now, where is my candy? Sue, have you gone deaf?
I have become zen, and I don't pay attention to small things anymore.
A small thing? This is outrageous. I'm out of here. Still, what about that candy? Hola, amigos. Sue is no longer a reliable candy supplier. I have to do something. If you have any thoughts about how to unzen her, write in the comments below.
Sam, I would never leave you hungry.
It sure looks like it.
It's just sometimes you're too
and slick.
Annoying. So today we'll make you an automated Lego candy dispenser, so you don't have to call me to get candies.
Yay! But you think I'm annoying though? That hurts. Give me a candy to brighten up waiting.
Here. We are going to need a Lego kit with lots of bricks, double-sided tape, and Skittles, of course. All right, let's get started. We're gonna stick these guys on this big gray brick. And now these. One more, and another one. There it is. Okay, let's keep going. This green one here, a square, and 2 yellow rectangles. All right, now it's time for these little guys. How cute are these little triangles? Okay, Sam!
What now?
I have a very interesting job for you. Skittles need to be divided by color.
Ooh, I can do this.
I'll need this empty pack later. Moving on, we're gonna stack these Legos like this and stick them on each side. And a bridge.
Okay, Sammy, keep it together. They need to be put in piles, not your mouth. Oh, who am I kidding?
Sam, I can hear you.
Too bad.
Oh, what a slime. All right, let's keep going. We'll stick this here. And another there. Another here.
Somebody hasn't subscribed yet, but is watching my video. That's better.
All right, let's keep going. We're so close to finishing. We'll stick these guys right here and up on top. We're just putting the finishing touches now. Oh, and see? That part can move back and forth. Perfect for dispensing candy. And this right on top, our finishing touch.
Want a joke?
Sure.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Impatient cow.
Impatient cow.
I can control myself. I'm confident. I'm strong.
Almost ready. Just one little detail. And here too. Now we'll grab the candies and put them in.
What did I divide them for?
To strengthen your willpower, Sammy. Just that. Sam, look how cool! It's even better than I imagined.
Yeah, enough sentiments. How do I use it?
Well, watch this. I'll put a coin in here. Voila!
Oh,
Candies!
let me try. Coin. Voila! Candies! Oh, this is the best machine ever! I'm off to practice my willpower. It's too tempting.
Guys, who likes our candy dispenser? Give Sam a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos about Lego crafts, subscribe to the channel and keep your eye out. They're coming soon. Bye-bye, all!
Wanted to tell you about a miracle I once saw in the, Tip-a-dodo. Snowdrop candies. Usually it's hard to see them.